If you're building concrete foundations, you need to watch this video because we have a product that can speed you up on site so you can finish your job on time and on budget. Polebase has a ton of different options when it comes to variables like rebar cages, conduits, bolt configurations, and the dimensions of the overall product. Polebase can do anything a traditional concrete pier can, but faster. So let's take a look at some of the applications that Polebase can be used for. The most common use for Polebase is a precast light pole base, used typically for a streetscape or a parking lot. And over here, you can actually see a unit with a junction box. This allows electrical contractors to work on different voltages on site or even add in charging stations within the unit. Unique shape and texture options are available in most any of these applications. Just be sure to check with your local manufacturer to see what's available in your neck of the woods. Signage foundations are another great application for Polebase because the bolt configurations oftentimes are very similar to light pole bases, so you can use some of these same configurations on the same site. The bases look great whether they are above grade or below grade, and the signage can even be embedded within the unit itself. Polebase can also be used for taxiway bases. You know those foot-tall lights that line runways at every major airport? Every one of them has a 24-inch diameter concrete foundation and has a light canister embedded within the unit. Installing these can be very simple if it's precast. It can get in the ground in as little as 30 minutes, versus if you were to cast it in place, it would take hours to install this thing. And since many of these installations are done at nighttime when airplanes aren't flying in to land on the runways, these electrical contractors don't have to call in ready-mix trucks at 3 a.m. with exorbitant rates to come and pour their taxiway bases. The reason being, if you use Polebase, all of these products are already pre-cured and ready to install on site. Polebase columns are also great for residential applications. The reason being, you can just set these things in the ground very, very quickly instead of having to call multiple masons to the site to pour a concrete foundation, mortar up some cinder blocks, let everything dry, and then come back to lick and stick stone to this structure and hoist a cap on top. Instead of taking all those steps, you can just set it in the ground and you're ready to go. There are a ton of other foundation applications that Polebase can be used for. Pipe foundations for power plants and breweries, solar panel foundations, and flagpole bases are just a few options that you might find on site. When you're designing or installing your next foundation application on site, be sure you go to the video description below to find your local Polebase manufacturer. Give them a call and see what's available in your market. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe here to see what's coming up next as we come out with new videos. Additionally, you can click here to see some of our older videos and learn more about what you can use these foundational products for in the future. Thanks a lot and have a great day.